Riu Sky ni arikitie gutheria na kuhithuria ndeto imwe a Kenya maratigitwo makiuria muno iguru rigie Tash, and now Sky has finally come out and addressed the matter kirekereria statement kuria she has finally clarified everything. Na oho onake the dad Kanyari ni arikitie kwaria na ukorwo akirespond kuri an issue that many were concerned about na marakoretwo makionania no mende kuigua from the father of these children, are these children safe moko-ini ma Tash, tondu ni koretwo na allegations nyingi muno irarekereirio kuria turakionire Shiro Stewart we eyumiria na kuregana na accusations icio na akiruta mukana muhiu muno ati ni ukorwo akioya ikinya ria kiwatho against anyone who will dare raise such speculations again. Na riu Kanyari we ni arikitie kurio woni wake ni uriku na we araigwa atia, are the children safe in that house? Na Kanyari riu ni arikitie kurespond na akiuga we mwenyewe is the father of these children, he knows he is not worried about anything, he is not worried of these children being taken advantage of. Na akiuga me safe, they were safe before and even now they are safe. Na oho akiongera na kuga Sky guti ndi aria mukora na kumucomplainira ati ndari safe asha, na koguo onake akionania ici no ndeto andu mararia na hatire na uma wa ndeto icio, as the father he has confirmed the children are safe in Tash's hands. Na oho akiongera na kuga we ndagetikira gutunya Sky thimu, an issue which had been raised earlier ati Sky etikirio a mourn off social media, take time off social media, but Kanyari as the father when yaugite asha ndegwitikira Sky arutunyo thimu yake, she is a content creator and taking away her phone ni ta kuhingiria kiheo kiu giake. Kanyari finally akiaddress maundu maya meri. Na rukuri ndeto Sky arikite kumbura na gutheria thutha wa ciuria nyingi muno aingi ni marakoretwo makiuria why is it that Tash amidst all that is going on guti handu onekanite akiaria gwitetera kana gukorwo akirekereria a verified post iria ingirikana hasa niwe wamirekereria. Riu Sky has revealed Tash is not on any social media platform, na agithereria a Kenya account iria makoretwo makiona cireita Tash kana irahuthira ritwa riake na mbica ciake gutiri ona imwe iri yake. Na oho akiumbura it is his personal decision, ni aregete gukorwo akiingira social media ini undu Sky umburite onake ni umugegetie na agakorwo akigeria guthaira baba waingire social media, but Tash wants nothing to do with social media, and so Sky agekira Kenya maikare me advised Tash is not on any social media platform. O arigwarikitie kumbura.
Hey guys, it's Sky here. I'm just here not to say much, but just to address an issue that I have been seeing online that it has not been disturbing me, but some people find it uncomfortable and I need to be straightforward with it. I'm here to clarify that I do not have any other TikTok account. My main is this one that I am posting in. This is my main. I don't even have any spam or any what. I don't have any TikTok account that is fake or whatever. I don't have any. So if you come across a TikTok account and they are posting things you have never seen, so you think it's my account, maybe they're taking from Instagram and posting it to that account. So it is not my account. My only account is this one. Please stop pretending to be me. Another thing, my dad is not a social media person. Tash is not a social media person. So I've seen so many accounts, zinapata followers, so many followers. Guys, hey, stop, oh, please stop. They have so many followers. You could find an account with over 30k followers and it's not his. He does not have a TikTok. He does not have a Facebook. He is not online, by the way. Me sometimes naulizanga dad, what do? You don't want to be a content creator? Is like, no, I don't want. So guys, my dad is not a content creator, which is perfectly fine. He has no account. If you ever come this TikTok account saying 254 Tash family, I'm a Tash, and then it's giving, no, those accounts are just going to be used to add more drama online or whatever. But yeah guys, please don't believe in other accounts. Even Facebook, Hana, I don't know, Twitter or something, but he doesn't have any other account. Instagram, Hana. So you guys stay safe out there. I don't have any other account. This is my only one, and I love you guys so much.